Hey there, crypto fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something you really can't ignore. Crypto mining apps for your phone. That's right. No expensive hardware, no complicated setups. Just grab your phone and start mining. We're covering 5 apps today: Ember Fund, Pi Network, Nodepay, Denet Storage, and 375 Go. And trust me, this is going to be fun. Let's dive in. Oh, and in the description, you'll find a referral code for each app that you can use to earn extra crypto or points. All right, first up, Ember Fund. This isn't just any mining app. This is the Rolls-Royce of crypto mining on your phone. What is it? Ember Fund lets you mine and invest in cryptocurrency, all from one app. How does it work? You join a mining pool, basically a group of people working together to mine crypto. It all happens in the cloud, so your phone won't overheat. What do you earn? Cryptocurrency, of course. And if you invite friends, you'll get extra rewards. Why is this cool? It's super user-friendly. No hassle, just download and start. Pro tip for you: use my referral code in the description to earn extra rewards right away. And hey, you'll be helping me out too. Next up, Pi Network. This is the app everyone has, but not everyone understands. What is it? Pi Network is an app that lets you mine Pi tokens. The goal? To create a new cryptocurrency that's accessible to everyone. How does it work? Every day, you open the app, press a button, and you're mining. It uses almost no energy, so your phone stays happy. What do you earn? Pi tokens. Why is this cool? It's completely free, and you can boost your earnings by inviting friends. Use my referral code, found in the description, when signing up. All right, now something for the tech lovers: Nodepay. What is it? Nodepay is an app that lets you earn rewards by running a node. Sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. How does it work? You run a node on your phone, which means you help support the network. In return, you earn crypto rewards. What do you earn? Tokens, of course, and the more you contribute, the more you earn. Why is this cool? It's a way to earn crypto while supporting a decentralized network. Win-win. Use my referral code in the description to start earning right away. And yes, you'll be helping me out too. Now something for the data lovers. Denet Storage. What is it? Denet Storage is an app for decentralized storage. It uses blockchain to store files securely. How does it work? You can rent out or rent storage space. If you rent out space, you earn crypto. What do you earn? Tokens for renting out storage or actively participating in the network. Why is this cool? It's a sustainable way to earn crypto, and you're helping build a secure storage network. Use my referral code in the description to start earning right away. And guess what? You'll be helping me out too. All right, we've saved the most adventurous one for last. 375 Go. If you're someone who's always on the move, loves exploring new places, or just wants to turn your daily commute into a crypto earning machine, this app is for you. What is it? 375 Go is a mobility-focused crypto app that rewards you for being active and traveling. It's like turning your phone into a crypto mining tool while you explore the world. Whether you're walking, cycling, or driving, 375 Go turns your movements into rewards. How does it work? The app uses your phone's GPS and sensors to track your activities. You can earn rewards by following specific routes or trails, visiting checkpoints or locations. Think of it like a crypto treasure hunt. Completing challenges, like walking a certain distance or exploring new areas. It's super intuitive and feels more like a game than a traditional mining app. What do you earn? You earn 375 Go tokens based on your activity. The more you move, the more you earn. It's a great way to stay motivated to explore, travel, or even just hit your daily step goal. Plus, the tokens you earn could have real value in the future, so why not get started now? Why is this cool? 375 Go is perfect for adventurers, travelers, or anyone who wants to add a little excitement to their daily routine. It's not just about earning crypto. It's about exploring the world, staying active, and having fun while doing it. Imagine earning crypto just by visiting a new city or hiking a scenic trail. How cool is that? And that's it. 5 apps to mine crypto on your phone. Whether you want to mine, invest, or just earn some extra crypto while you're on the move, there's something for everyone. Oh, and once again, in the description, you'll find a referral code for each app that you can use to earn extra crypto or points. You'll be helping me out too, so it's a win-win. So, which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, and happy mining.